Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise the second chapter, computer software. But before starting this, I am going to give you a short recap of this chapter. So let's start. Computer is a machine that does not process any intelligence of its own. A computer without instruction is like a car without an engine. It requires a set of instructions given by a user to work on. These set of instructions are called programs, which are written in the computer languages. A software is a collection of programs that are stored in and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. The software is that part of a computer which cannot be touched or seen. The software is of two types, system software and application software. System software is further divided into operating system and utility software, which works on language processor. Then application software is divided into two parts, that is general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. It reads data from input devices and transfer the process into information to the output devices. As you can see the picture, input photo is clicked by the camera and computer process, then output becomes a photograph. An operating system is needed to operate a computer. It controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Now here you can see that application software is divided into two parts, that is general purpose application software and special purpose application software. Let's start the exercise. First is fill in the blanks. First question is two types of software are dash and dash. The answer is system software and application software. Second, the set of instructions given to a computer is known as a program. Third is dash helps in rearranging the files. It is called disk defragmentation. Fourth is you can protect your computer from viruses by using antivirus software. Fifth is dash control the operations of a computer. It is called system software. Next exercise is of true false. First, a software is an input device. This is false. MS Paint is a word processing software. This is false. Third, specific purpose software are also known as customized software. This is true. Fourth, MS PowerPoint is a customized software. This is false. Fifth is software made according to the requirement of an office is a customized software. This statement is true. Now very short type of question answers. First is it acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. It's called an operating system. Second, it maintains a copy of data on the hard disk so that valuable data is not permanently lost. Answer is backup utility. Third, IPO cycle refers to input, process, output. Fourth, software used to present information through slides. Answer is presentation software. Fifth is program which runs on the computer hardware and make it possible for us to work on the computer. Answer is software.